Okay team, let's jump straight into the practical part of the bicep curl exercises. I'm not going to talk about the physiology as much. I covered it in a different video, so watch that if you need to. Rather, I would like to point out a few things that I see people often do that are preventing you from optimizing the exercise. Okay, this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to optimize the exercise technique for better results. Okay, first one is your position of the legs. Yeah, I would like you to start learning to be in straight line. Yeah, your feet straight. Stop projecting your leg. You're putting your body already in a twist. It's absolutely unnecessary. You don't need, that for a balance or anything. Like you're not trying to dance or But stop projecting your leg and putting the body in a twist. You want to be really solid, core straight in. Okay, shoulders are straight, your core is straight. Okay, very important. Now, second one is, I don't know what is it about this little jump, not jump, but yeah, when you go and do this. Can somebody in the comment explain what is this doing? Yeah, potentially too much weight. Yeah, your resistance is, and you're trying to compensate the end by going a little bit lower. It's not helping at all. It's absolutely unnecessary. It's exactly opposite. Yeah, let's say you're nice and straight. You need to be solid in here as well. Shoulders down, perform the exercise without doing any jump. Now, yes, right, if I combine these two, maybe it's more for the ladies. I'm not saying anything, but when you combine those two and you project the leg and you do this, can somebody explain if it's useful for something or if it's just somehow habitual thing? Yeah, what is that? You're not a monkey. You're not a monkey. You're not dancing. You're trying to perform the exercise for the muscle group, which is now the bicep. So not these additional movements, absolutely unnecessary. Now, third thing that I have in mind is the position of your elbow. Okay, you want to watch the position of your elbow, and you want to make sure that you're in line with the body or slightly in front. Yeah, you don't want to come up and start pushing the elbow this way. Okay, can you see? You would like to expose the bicep by leaving it in the plane in here and performing the full range of motion. Yeah, you're limiting the function by going this way. You're shrugging already. You're using the shoulder a little bit. Yeah, and you just bring the weight up, but not with the muscle group that should be involved. So make sure that stay in front of the mirror and just make sure that once you start going up, you're not escaping with the elbow in the back. Okay, so same thing with this. Okay, with the bar, it's exactly the same. Once you start going this way, that's a red flag. Yeah, you want to be as much. I'm exaggerating a little bit. Yeah? I'm putting it in front. It's light. You can. But practice, learn to really keep the elbows in front, or then you can progress from that. Once the weight is becoming a little bit more aggressive, you will probably not be able to do it as clean as here, of course, but practice, just learn to be really nice, because this is the clean way how the bicep, the clean sort of movement, how the bicep will be most involved in the exercise. Yeah, you're not trying to avoid the bicep by involving different muscle groups. Yeah, it's maybe not very noticeable, like you are not, but it is there. We are trying to optimize it. So shoulders down, yeah, elbow slightly in front, then you go. Okay, so to sum up, 3 things: straight, feet in line, core nice and solid, yeah, everywhere. Second, none of this, solid. You want to involve the bicep, not try to, get the weight no matter what, right? So that, and the third thing is watch the elbow. Additionally, what I would like to mention is, and that is true for, of course, most, if not all of the exercises. I'm trying to demonstrate the bicep curl. So try to contract the muscle even more than you need to bring the resistance up. Okay, so yeah, I can do, let's say I can do this. Yeah, I will be doing 50 repetitions, for example, just to bring the weight up. To get the control over the exercise, try to flex as if this would be 3-4 times more heavy. Okay, and then go. I'm flexing, more than I need to, but it gives you extreme control over the movement. Okay, so now if I go this and this, the bicep is fantastic. Is involved so much in the full range of motion. I can control it, all the way up and down. Okay, once the weight goes up, so you use more resistance, that will come handy, because you will have control not only based on the resistance, but control in the isometric sort of flexion in the muscle, and it will be so much more efficient. Okay, so that's that. If you have any comments, please, write them down. Let me know. If there are any other exercises that you would like me to, discuss, please also let me know in the comments. Yeah, keep it up. See you in the next one. See you guys. Bye.